Hello, in this video I will introduce you to Evolution and Blackeye, remote sensing devices. On the object that is meant to be detected, I want to show the calibration that has been done. I will use it in the video. Objects. $100 a sheet. No digging is happening. This one here. Paper. 100 euros. Natural soil again. And also local or currency. 200 TL. All. Coins. All of them. Detection ID values are different from each other. Now, let me explain how calibration is done. I will thoroughly demonstrate the methods for detecting the test object. Calibration process. Objects containing metal, ID values from 99 downwards, not containing metal, mineral rocks, and by raising gems, progress method will be used. Jumps 2 can be realized with a unit difference. For example, at the top, the ID value is 99. At 99, the target will be passed over, and if it does not react, we will come back. Backward and forward movements must be made in the north-south direction. We will come back. The ID value will be lowered to 97, and we will go over the target again. No response at 95. It will be tried again. While passing over, the feedback from the antennas can be observed. The best, strongest closure. Movement. It will notify that the ID value has been matched. I will show you how to do this now. Calibration process. The first matching currency will be the dollar according to the ID number ranking. First, I will show it. The device is made of metal and on the disk partition. First ID value I'll test. I am currently showing 99. I will inform you verbally about the rest. Antennas in search position will be an estimated 20 centimeters between the two antennas is the ideal search position. With very slow movements, without shaking the antennas, I will walk over it in a tranquil manner. Yes, there's no reaction at the moment. ID value. To 97. I'll drop it and go through it again. From target. Move 3 meters away is enough. No responses come to me at this moment. Now I'm trying the ID value 95. Yes. I got a reaction. Here he informs us of his presence, but the best, learn the ID value by dropping a number and a number, lifting from the value I found. I want to discover the ID number of the top shot. I tried it on 95. Now it's 96. I'm going to try it. I want to see which one it responds to better.
Good.
96 was a little weak. Right now, my ID number is from 95. I will attempt a test in 94. '94. A bit weak. Now, back to the initial observation. I'm trying my number 95. Yeah. The best match was in 1995. An object's detection ID range spans 3 units in total. If we detect it at 95, if the match is 95, it will also react at 96 and 94, but it will give the best value at 95. Now I will go over the other coins. I will show you the ID values of all of them. I will step over the euro currency. I'm 3 meters away. I am moving very slowly without shaking the antennas. There is no reaction. It reacted. I am passing over TL, the local currency. There is no reaction. Previously, in relation to other currencies, I tried some things. Now 62. 63 is the best match ID number of the 64 euro currency. Now, in 95, I'm showing you. The dollar has been identified. Now I'm testing the euro ID value of 62. I stepped back 3 meters from the object. I'll try it now. That's the closure at 62. In order to facilitate understanding, I had just reviewed the dollar. I am coming over the dollar. There is no reaction. To see the exact calibration value of the euro, I'll try one number down and one number up to figure out the best match ID number. I'm trying 63 now. I'm 3 meters away. I'm closing in on the target. Yes, the response is weak. Now I'm going to drop to 61 and go over the target again. I'm going to go from 61 back to 62 like this. I will decide. Yes, 62. I can accept the ID value that I will use for euro determination. The currency TL of 200 lira and a detection ID value of 90. I had tried and found this. Now by entering all ID values one by one, I'm going to go through the currencies in order for you to see. Now with the euro. A match occurred with the ID value of 62. I will pass over the money. I am now 3 meters away. 20 centimeters between the two antennas. I'm passing. I'm moving very slowly. There's a reaction. There's no reaction. €62. €100 detection, $95 detection. Now I'll enter ID number 90 for 200 TL. I'm getting closer to the target. With ID 90, the TL currency is detected. There is no reaction in the dollar. There is no reaction in euro. Calibration process is done with this method. The object for identification. If the reference value, in the event that users are unaware using this product, our customers, this kind of by testing the ID number of the material it wishes to identify, can understand. So with the transmitter unit, the same ID value to the ground, through the act of sending a signal, much better, the separation is made and signal variations are minimized. Targets, it can be identified. Same operations. I have my Blackeye device too. I will show it. The same ID values are valid. All responses. The Blackeye device is also included. Both devices are identical, but their methods of use are different. Evolution operates using the double L antenna method. Blackeye, on one hand, in motion, is engaged in perception. The next video will feature the Blackeye model. Hope to see you again. Have a good day.